Hello, Randy Rain here, and I have a TOMY FlipBot, maybe the least desired of all TOMY robots. Let's find out. This is
Randy Robot Garage.
Now, it may or may not be the least desired. There is the TOMY VerBot. The VerBot may beat it out just based on the disappointment that it brought. It may not can do much, but it can do what it says it can do. And hey, they made several versions and they brought it back in 2000. But this one's actually pretty neat. It has some decals on it that none of mine have. I haven't done a lot of these, but if I remember correctly, they're pretty easy. So let me get started. I haven't even tried this. See what it does. So nothing. But this is a prime candidate for one that just needs some help. Because if I remember correctly, there's not many things that will break in this one. So it's obviously just a motor. So let's try this. No. 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 There it goes. I love when that works. But let's clean it up. This comes off. There's more stuff in here than I remember. Yeah, that's cracked. That tin tooth is fine, but it needs to be replaced. Now, these are the ones that are very hard to get into. And since I got it going, I'm just going to put this oil right in here. Now, this worm drive here is broken. And I had to hunt for this one. And it's not the right size. It's the only one I have. Is that correct? That'll work. Okay, this can go back together. There's a little piece of metal that just goes right down here. Like that. So the end here is not rubbing on plastic because it's getting pushed as it spins. It's getting pushed that away. Alright, I found a cracked gear on this because that spins real easy. That one is cracked as well. Alright, that broken gear, I have one similar, but that is a 10 tooth. The outer gear is correct, but the inner gear is a 10 tooth and it's supposed to be a 9 tooth. It's also an idle gear and it doesn't even stay on there. So that won't work. But I have a 9-tooth gear, and it fits on perfectly. There. I have this gear that's the same as the outer gear. It's just not a compound gear. There's no other teeth on it besides the main ones. So I'm going to cut that off right there, that little nub. And put this on. And that should be this. Motor. Okay. This. Then these have to go on. That. And what's that weird thing? Let's see. I took it all apart to clean. That goes in there. That goes like that, I think. Goes just like that. But I gotta put it in there. Damn it. Damn it, damn it. Have to go in like that. This. These wheels have to go on here. That has to fall off. Okay. So wheels have to go on. Put this on. This black wire. Like that. This crazy thing here has gone all wonky rude. Okay. That. Alright, starting over again. This has to go in and put it in like there, and that has to push up on there. Oh, it's snapped in. Look there, it's snapped in. Wow, okay. Didn't know it snapped. That's good to know. That goes there. That goes there. Oh, but we got a problem down here. Might be snapped in, but this is not right. Get in there. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. You stay right freaking there. This thing's gonna stay correct at least. Okay. Wow, this one is very difficult. Get in there. Okay. Now, we're going to go down. Okay. No. And you're going to get moved over like that. And something is wrong here. Because I got these freaking backwards. Okay. You come up here and go that way. Yep. And you come off this way. And go back on there. Okay, back to this, maybe. Okay. You're not playing along. See? It's you. It's all you right there. Get in your right spot. Get in your right spot. But you have to be on that side. Get on there. Okay. That ain't it. Keep going on the wrong freaking side. Damn it. Why won't you go in there? What the hell are you supposed to do to get that little freaking thing in there? If I have to make you freaking stay right there. Yes, on that side. Wheels. Put that in. Is that it? Is that on the right side? It is. Okay. That looks so weird. It's cracked there. Damn it. Okay. Well, alright, I can fix that right quick. Yep, that works. And you can see as this thing spins around, this little piece right here pushes this little lever down. And this is what makes it turn. It lifts one wheel off the ground. Then the head can go on. Now the battery door. One FlipBot. So there it is, a working FlipBot with some interesting decals that I haven't seen. You ready to see it in action? Well, here we go. I have plenty of FlipBots, so I'm putting this one on eBay. So if you want to help the channel out and get yourself a FlipBot, go put down a bid. And if you like this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, of course, hit the subscribe button. I want to thank these people here. These are the patrons. These are the people helping me out and making this all possible. I couldn't do any of this stuff without them. So I thank them oh so very much. And if you'd like to become a patron, of course, there are links and perks and all that stuff. Anyway, go check it out. Check eBay. That was
Robot Garage.